So, what is it? It's only FPV Friday. This is what I've been waiting for, guys. The Neo 2. So, what you need, obviously, you need your goggles free, your motion controller free, make sure they're all charged up. You need your phone. You're going to need your phone because you're going to have to go into the DJI Fly app. Okay, so we've got the DJI Fly app. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the drone. I'm going to turn on everything. Okay, here we go. So it's already connected up on the screen, as you can see. Let's put that there a minute. Neo 2. Okay, keep the aircraft powered on. Insert. So another thing is, guys, if you want to do FPV, you're going to have this fitted. Something that's come up when I've been chatting the other day, because I've only just bought this drone. If you just buy the drone without this, you won't be able to do the FPV, guys. Okay, so it's just confirming it. So what we're doing, we're binding it together. Okay, firmware's done. I'll press the button for 4 seconds. Oh, hang on. No, shouldn't have done that. Okay, now. Heard that noise? Okay, so we're going to do... Okay, now this has been baffling me. The past couple of new drones I've been doing, it's just been going straight in. Okay, I've got to go on to the goggles now. Right, let's just put the goggles on. Right, battery firmware version inconsistent, flight safety, tap confirm, latest update, takes about a minute. Okay, looks like that's it. Firmware okay. Restart if device powers off automatically. So press that. So we just turn the drone back on. I'll just check the goggles. Hopefully it will go straight in. It's not sticking nothing onto the... Okay. Just go check that. Yes. Okay, that's good. So what I am going to do while it's indoors, I am going to just move some of my stuff out of the way. I'm just going to do a quick takeoff and just see what happens. Put that there a minute. Okay, and we're just going to put that there. Okay, we're just going to see what happens. Okay, I'm bring it back down. I'm using my that's good. So the next part of this video, you're going to see me out testing it. Can't wait. See you in a mo. So I'm at my favourite place. Now they did say today it's going to be sunny. But we got some horrible looking clouds just up there that don't look rain. Anyway, here it is, the Neo 2. Obviously you can't fly it, as I mentioned before, without this on the back, guys. So just remember that if you're thinking about buying it as an FPV device. So, should we get going? I've got it all hooked in. I'll just get me everything going. I got that on. The other good thing about this, I can hand launch it. I haven't got to worry about, you know, having a landing pad. Yep, that's hooked in. So, let's see what happens on the screen. It's all looking good. Okay, yep, it's in. It's all looking good. So this is my very first time, guys, so I don't know what to expect. So wish me luck, as they say. Just as the wind picks up. Okay. Okay, got the, I hadn't noticed that before on the screen. The avoidance thing looks a bit different, but hey, it's just, let's have a go through the, oh, I see. So this looks like something I'm gonna have to turn off then. Right. That's probably why I haven't noticed that before. So, yeah, so obviously, one of the first things, guys, is turning off the obstacle avoidance, right? You're gonna have a few issues going through some of the tighter gaps. That's my own fault. Okay. So let's just see if we can do that on the goggles settings. Let's put it over here so it doesn't get so annoying. Right, let's have a quick check. Alright, let's go down to settings. Let's check safety first. Ah, right, I can see it now. Obstacle avoidance. I've got it on brake, so I can turn that off. Okay. And just as I'm saying all this, I can feel a bit of rain. Okay, so I'm just gonna, and the wind's picking up. Typical, isn't it, eh? What's interesting, obviously it's still, as you can see there, I've got the obstacle avoidance warning me, but obviously it's not on. But as I'm talking to you guys, it's feeling like it feels like we got a bit of rain coming in. Okay. But it's looking pretty good at the moment, you know, even though we got a bit of wind blowing around. Right, I'm just going to see, because there's a bit of a small gap here, I'm just going to see if we can get through this small gap just before I get too wet. So there it is. Okay, no problem getting through that one. I mean, look at it. Look at it. That's not looking good. And this is supposed to be it's supposed to be a sunny day. Okay, that's me panicking there. Okay, there's a little gap here we can go through. Back down out of there. Through that, no problem. So, comparing the Avata and the Neo 2, you can see the Avata is bigger. But the other interesting thing, if I can line up the bodywork with the battery, funny enough, with those aerials sticking up, and if you can see that, they're slightly lower. So the Avata 2 is actually bigger than the Neo. But I can see it. I don't know if, hopefully you can see it. Let's do another view there. So that's obviously back to front. But you can see even the Avata 2 is longer, slightly wider as well. And to be honest, because this is a summary now, to be honest, it's pretty nifty. I was pretty impressed with it. It was darting in and out of the gaps over there. Now, when I first got here, it wasn't looking good. It was raining and it was windy. And obviously, it didn't cope very well in the wind. But then I would expect that because this doesn't cope very well in the wind as well. So that was good. As always, there's going to be another video coming very sooner. Oh yeah, let me know have you got it? And how are you getting on with it?